Rider Man चलना हो गया?
Two of us.
Puneet
One,
Tripathi,
I'll show you
Puneet
one.
Tripathi.
Sons of the Hills, Shillong.
Puneet Tripathi.
French dish too, sir. Thank you. Hello, bro.
How are you, man?
You know me?
Of course.
Who?
Remember. Helmet दिखाना रे.
हमें दिखा?
तुम अभी आए क्या?
हाँ. Where's Dom 7, man?
Dom 7 came in.
No, I was staying Dhordo. I went to Koteshwar.
Okay.
In the morning, I came
Okay.
back. Yeah.
Are you solo or what?
No, yeah, with my friend. My friend, he went there. I just see Dom 7, yeah. Huh? Dom 7, you know? Dom 7, yeah.
So there.
There down? Down?
Yeah, you can go from here.
Okay, thank you so much. Fuck. Shit. So this is my dorm. So nang mas sebentar. This is the dining room. Ah shit. See you later. this is Sumit from Jammu Kashmir. Say hi.
Yes,
now.
yes, hi.
So we're staying together in this dorm number 7 at RM, Gujarat, Ran of Kutch.
Bed number 1 and my bed number
Yeah,
3.
bed number 1 is bed number 3. Number 2 will come later. See you. Di BYOT area to stage stay, dorm stay. Then dining room, dining hall is there. To. Morning from Ran of Kutch, Dhordo. Waiting for breakfast now. Mentang kita up ya ka breakfast ni Disha. There's the line. Pipat ba, ma'am?
Dhordo.
Sana dulu.
Dia lapar, double kan.
Oh, yuk ni. Mana le shine pada kawai. That's 2 veg tay. Nani di non veg veg.
Minum ni berbiar kan yang lain deh.
Stay di veg deh. Tuna tumpiat.
Tuna lain melat.
So hello guys. It's a Rider Mania festival. It's like the Northeast Riders Meet. So it's the same thing, only we do games, we eat, we party, and so I won't shoot or record any videos because it's all the same. But then if I remember, I'll do that. And it's, what's the time now? It's 6 and still sunny. There's a room. This is my bed. Yeah. So it's the same only. Kalau kau mjuk hi, mpere kau mjuk iyo, jindak kai de, speedy be batam mo. Yeah, enjoy. Right.
चार दीजिए तो चार बोलो चार दीजिए तो भाई खाली 4 इधर में और चार दीजिए हाँ बटर डालो भाई चार दे देना प्लीज
Thank you. Coffee sudah.
अबे करने दो, अब आप करो।
निकाले वाले आ रहे हैं
Coffee dah. Coffee.
थोड़ी इसमें डाल
Oh, sah. Ah, katay dong deh. Ano deh? Shong suki mo. Shong suki mo siya. See him again. We'll see him again.
Thank you. Thank you. And
There we go. Good. Thank you. I'm from Northeast, from Shillong. I don't have an hat. Please give me more, yes. want this. I want this. Some more. Good. Just the rice. Yeah. Thank you so much. Yeah. This is like so heaven for me. Why this mitha wala? Mitha wala? Same eki. Oh, nice. Wow. क्या चाहिए?
नहीं, ये चाहिए, हम नहीं चाहिए. 10 मिनट 100 रुपए, 10 मिनट 100 रुपए.
Wow, this is the best, man. After a long ride, no?
Yeah.
Oh man. Yeah, man. Good morning, guys. I'm here with the wolf pack, so this is our last day, and I don't know what will happen this last day. So whatever happens in
Something interesting.
whatever happens in Aram Gujarat stays in Aram Gujarat.
Awesome.
Yeah.
मम्मा तेरा फोन दे.
If you both guys are you ready? Yep. Okay, start. Are you ready? Ready. Yes. Start. Done. Yep.
Station petrol. No, I'm not going. Ship. Alto. Emawal. Have you done? H हमारा है कता ngami Alto. हमारा है kata ka number H ano? 63. Oh, si sedih na. Tak. Mana lah? Apa? Hey, gue, apa dah pak? Show ni, show. Mana yang hantar ni kan? Ini lah. Ni yang kali si, darat ni yang dah kali si. Songkai lah. Hey, wait, I'll just park my bike. Okay. I'll talk to you properly.
This is how much it is.
Yeah. Fuck. Bro.
Oh, you'll put the petrol also?
Yeah. Take care.
1 liter. Yeah.
So I don't pay for the run, I'll pay for the petrol.
Otherwise, the owner will...
Just kidding, man.
We'll get late.
Bayar?
Bayar ke?
4 phí. Đâu?
Mana? Trang mày.
Tặng nó này bạn, tặng một phí. Phước nó nuôi phim đọc. But sport, not sport, not. Stay short top.
Ini limited.
Bat ni.
Làm tiếp ra.
Bang karong.
Cek,
Di bang karong thiệt vậy. Xin mà sao nữa con. Đi này kendong segara dong.
Ay, bang kanila.
Mai mà ở đây.
Đang cheese nem tam ta.
Alright.
I ras.
Tangki mah, karong.
Ê, bão hả đình tiện lăng cái tên cho nga nè, nè rồi thì,
Lim tệ.
hả?
Tệ.
Đình lùm nọ nè mà, thì đang lông tầm trong lanh,
Hantai.
hử?
Tama tệ dan benji vi.
Bắn chứ kan
Tệ anak seat, hang seat yang apa?
Rồi,
Dah. Naik tệ sini ni orang. Tệ bina seat.
lihat dari balong lah, tiap helmet, beri kids helmet,
Helmet trek ni.
hả?
Anam terus eh?
Trek,
Hah?
trek,
Pat dia arah flight.
Ano tengah, Wiser?
Di mana dia? Tệ, aku tu tệ.
Long kile
Oh lah. So Mohican here is going home. Bye bye. It's such a emotional thing right now. Emotional time. She is going home after traveling for 7,380 kilometers for 22 days. To be here at Rider Mania 2025 Gujarat, Ran of Coach. Wow. I'm gonna miss her. This is our first time going our separate ways. She'll go by a truck. I'll go by flight. Bye. My God. Pelong you bet, pendat bet.
Okay.
oh, em rung nong tay yen kan kalian tiak tu,
Rung banyak pok senan noh.
wow,
So nice.
guys, for the first half we had Ramesh Venkat from the Guardians on the drums. Now we have Jonathan on the drums. Please, can we have some noise? Intro day.
Especially last moment.
We got through with that, didn't we? Did we do good?
Guys, while they're getting set up for the photograph, just a quick note of caution to everyone. To the right side of the stage, there are a lot of bikes parked, and there's some fuel that has spilled from the bikes. So those of you who may be smoking,
So I would request Lee to announce the name of this band.
Side boob.
So, we are the
It's
side
been
boobs.
reiterated though to Sid and the side boobs.
1, 2, 3.
We'll see you guys next year again.
Thank you.
Okay. So first thing first, thank you so much, Bullet Batakas, for such a lovely event. Hey, Jonah, come, let's go. I got caught up there, man. You played very well, bro. We have announced already. You played very well. Doing it in Uttarakhand. Come. We all welcome you to Uttarakhand in 2026. Closer to that. It was just a jam. Come on, man. It was awesome. It was awesome. उसे बोलते हैं दिल्ली। So, yo. तेरे में नहीं आएगा, इट्स ऑल थोड़ा कम। अच्छा, 16 वाह, असल था। उनका चांस है, आया नो। मैच के दिन